What is kitchen called in Igbo language? What is orange called in Igbo language? What is tomatoes called in Igbo language? What is knife called in Igbo language? What is spoon called in Igbo language? What is soup called in Igbo language? What is when you say angry in Igbo? When you say you're happy in Igbo? When you say peace in Igbo? When you say big in Igbo, something that is big. When you say small, something that is small in Igbo. When you say forget in Igbo. And when you say don't forget in Igbo. When you say come out in Igbo. When you say no in Igbo.